Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to uninstall Steelseries Sonar. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To uninstall Steelseries Sonar from your PC, you can typically follow these steps. Firstly, in Windows, you can access Control Panel by searching for it in the Start menu or by pressing the Windows key plus R, typing Control Panel in the Run dialog box, and pressing Enter. In the Control Panel, click on the Programs or Programs and Features. Depending on your view settings, scroll through the list of installed programs to locate Steelseries Sonar. It may be listed under Steelseries or by its specific name. Right-click on the series Sonar and choose Uninstall, or click on it once, and then choose Uninstall from the menu bar at the top. Follow the prompts of the uninstallation wizard to complete the removal process. This may involve confirming your decision to uninstall, choosing whether to remove user settings and data, and waiting for the uninstallation process to finish. By following these steps, you can uninstall Steelseries Sonar from your PC. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.